Hi, this is Andy from Aquatic Source for Michigan Pool News. This month we're talking about pumps and motors, when to repair, when to replace. On the larger motors, when the bearings start going, as long as the impellers, like this one, is totally worn out, if it's just the motor, you can pull the motor out, have bearings put in them, replace the seals on them, and you can save yourself a lot of money. If the bearings are gone and the impeller is completely gone to where you have to replace it, compare that with the price of a new pump complete. Because by the time you piece out the labor and the parts to do this, you can actually buy a brand new pump and have it installed for about a little bit more than what you were going to pay for the repair. When you get to the next size down, these D-Series Stay-Right pumps, same thing. If it's a motor and that's all that's bad, you can replace the motors. The only thing you want to do is make sure you check the name tag, make sure it's got the right horsepower, the phase, and the service factor. The service factor is a multiplier on horsepower to give you true horsepower of the motor. So you have to make sure those are all exact, or else if you put one with a low service factor, the impeller that's on there could make the motor run hot, higher amps, and it will decrease the life of the motor. Also on the D-Series, if the impeller is gone and the motor, replace it. The only difference is you're going to get a lantern, or you're going to get the pump housing, a diffuser, and a brand new impeller. This is a brand new one versus the worn out impeller on this one also. Then we've got the Stay-Right pumps up to 3 horse. They have a Durell plastic pump housing. Those also, if the motor goes, usually the front end, the impeller, the seal plate, and the pump housing is all good. You can just replace the motor. I wouldn't recommend doing bearings on a motor the 3 horse or smaller, because by the time you do it, you can actually buy a new motor with a warranty on it. Again, this is Andy from Michigan Pool News. Thanks.